battleground here, where we have two completely unique tile sets in one. So you do have the full heaven side complete with minions, the full hell side complete with...
What's up, guys? I just got back from the Heroes of the Storm launch party at YouTube Space LA. It was hosted by Blizzard, and it was a pretty cool event that brought some famous esports people competing on the platform, and there was a live stream of the event online. It was pretty cool. We got to get to see new stuff for Heroes of the Storm, such as Eternal Conflict, which brings in Diablos to the realm of Heroes of the Storm, and we got to check out the game a little and got some cool free swag.
Let's get some hype in this room. Come on, guys. Jesse Cox is in the building, my friend Michelle Meyer. My nervous family's in here. CNET, everyone's in here.
Deny the curse at this point in time, but a curse will spawn again very soon. And Pan and Chico caught out of position. The single player spike will be enough, but Sarah 2 also falls. So many squishy heroes in this game, and they are getting punished for the positioning. I really like the aggressive play from both teams. Now Fan, he's getting slowed by that water elemental and the stun. Yes, he's going to fall, and that's again positioning. And you just never know when someone is going to throw out that.
Have really outdone themselves. They've actually created a tile set in a battleground here where we have two completely unique tile sets in one. So you do have the full heaven side complete with minions, the full hell side complete with minions. You see that center area there, there's some stuff going on in the middle. It has a very unique mechanic on it that really changes the way the game plays. You see they really...
So this is the Blizzard giveaway that we received at the event. Let's check out what's inside. They gave us three Funko Heroes of the Storm vinyl figures and a Heroes of the Storm desk mat. That's pretty cool. So that's what we received. Let's open the desk mat first. Whoa, this thing is pretty big. Oh, this thing is cool. There's a lot of characters from the Heroes of the Storm. This thing is pretty big. I'll take a picture for it later for you guys. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'll put that on Jonah's desk if it'll fit. It's pretty big. And we got these mystery pack Funko figures. So let's go open this up. Yeah, there's 12 different figures that you can get. I don't know any of the names, so hopefully you guys will help me figure these out in the comments later if these guys aren't named. So I got this dude. Is there a name on here? Nope. So I can't help you much on this. I'm not the biggest gamer. My subscribers know that I basically play with die-cast cars most of the time. This chick. And the game launched on June 2nd. So and the last figure is whoa. Little army robot kind of dude. This guy looks mean. So those were our free gifts for attending the event at YouTube Space. Pretty cool stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching.